If I could take you up in boom boom boom, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Hey guys, punta tayo sa alaga dito sa sports sun. May sports day sila ngayon. Ang jacket ko, hindi ko na lang naglagay ng jacket pero parang mainit naman siya. Ang last year dito din ako, nakipagtakbuhan ako. Sabi ng alaga ko, auntie, takbo! Takbo din ako. Kung masakit yung paa ko, pero nag-sports shoes ako. Parang okay naman ang paa ko. Ay, naku. Tayo guys. Nakipag-cheering ako dito sa mga alaga ko eh. Last year nakakuha siya ng second sa takbo-takbo. Nila rally siya, naka-second sila, kaya may trophy. Yung bus nila dito nakaabang. Daming tao dito. Tayo. Ito na guys lang. Akala ko si Nihi yung tumakbo. Hindi pala. Kasi naka-orange. At saka yung katawan. Sim kay Nihi. Hindi pala yun. Oh, team Nihi. Nihi. Go! At least nakatapos. Ito kasi hindi makatakbo. Yun ang team siguro ng alaga kong panganay. Ayun ang panganay ko, yun yun siya, nakita ko. Nakita ko yung naka-blue, naka-green. Nihinasan yung alaga ko Wala na ba? Tapos na? Next pa? Ang alaga ko yan, hindi yan papatalo eh. Kaso lang yung mga kasama pala, parang lampado. Meron pa. Ayan, sasali yung alaga ko. Hahanapin ko ito yung mga classmate ni alaga kong panganay. Hello! Go, Jojo! Ay. Where's the blue? The green? The green tea! Oh, this is the control. Go, girl! Here's number 3. Ayaw niya daw mag-join sa relay. Relay pa lang tawag dyan, kiral. Relay. Ayaw niya. Yung bata na to, ayaw mag-relay. Masakit na yung paa niya. Yung kapatid, kakatakbo lang. Siguro mga third place o fourth sila. Sino kaya nag-win ko? Hindi ko alam kasi hindi sila kasi naka-uniform talaga na green eh. ang panganay ko nagtakbo talaga. Una siyang takbo sa relay. All red color. Where is that?
Okay, wait, I want to see this. Oh my God, Bala's running!
Green.
Who's the purple? You're the purple king.
Second sila. Second sila ng Jordan. Eh, akala ko, naka-America na yung naka-first. Ay, hindi pala siya. So, second sila ng Jordan. Ayan. Free run na sila. Free run. Ayaw ko magtakbo. Ang sakit ng paa ko. Nasaan na sila? Ano si Nihi?
High scores! Jack Smith, come on!
I don't see Romeo. Romeo got like
Where's Nihi? I didn't see.
This side. Better? Hey, if you're somewhat in the front, maybe if you could like maybe kneel a little bit, I don't know. Ish.
Si Elijah pa lang sa una. Elijah! Elijah!
All right. Hey, let's try not to make this take too long. So if you're in the back, please pay attention. Aaron. Come on, guys. All right.
Oh, it's orange. I didn't see. Wala na tao. Dami tao pa.
Are you guys ready? Hey, guys, we're going straight back to the photographer, straight back at the top of the stand, okay?
Lahat silang titik picture.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheese.
Cheese.
One more, or multiple more. Ready?
Cheese.
3, 2, 1.
Nitatakbo yun sila.
Alright, well, funny one now. Funny one if you want. Ready? Ready? Act a little crazy. 3, 2, 1. Cheese. Alright, nobody move. Listen carefully. Everyone is going to return to the stands in just a second, okay? You are going to make sure your area is clean, and then you are going to sit in your area, and we will give you further instructions. Nobody leaves the sports ground yet, okay? This area needs to be spotless. When we got here this morning, it was perfectly clean and spotless, okay? JG1, you can go. Oh, no, just kidding. Sit down out loud. Before we go back to the stands to clear things up, there are 3 people that we need to give a massive cheer to.
Two of them are here, one of them is hiding. Okay. No, it's not okay. You need to come out and be embarrassed. You can bring Lavi with you. Lavi, come in. Today is a really special day for us as a school. We get to hang out with everybody from JG1 all the way through to high school, and it wouldn't have happened without a huge amount of work from these three people, Miss Jenny, Mr. Mark, and Mr. Alec. Give them a massive round of applause. Even louder than that, even louder than that.
So loud.
That's more like it, and now we can listen to Mr. Alec for going in tidy.
Yep, also to kind of back up what Mr. Tabo said, we couldn't have done it without all our team teachers, our team leaders, our station
Hindi pala
leaders.
sila tatakbo.
We have
Kala ko
people
tatakbo.
back at the school, Miss Angel, Miss Peru, Miss Tiffany, that have worked endless behind the scenes as well. Can we get big... All right, we have roughly 6 or 7 minutes to make our way back up in an orderly fashion. Make sure the area is spotless, and then you are sitting and waiting for the next instruction. Got it? Okay. JG1, you can go. What's your purpose? Grade 3, go. Green team. Go, bed 2. High schoolers, you can make your way, and middle school that way. Yep. Yeah, Sushma, go ahead. Yep, go ahead. Slowly make your way. If you're sitting, all trash is picked up and in the trash bins, please.
Jojo! Malaga ako. Uuwi na kami guys, tapos na. Uuwi na kami, pauwi na mga estudyante. Oh. Itong dalawa yung sa akin, nawala yung octopus niya. Kaya sad siya. Stanley Hall Sports Center.
Do you play Swordmasters? No. You promised to meet me.
Buti walang pulisya dito, no?
Once you get above 100, I'll change
Meron nga sa gira dyan.
You promised to meet me at
Kasi ano
Carnival.
may spot
I already met you.
naman tayo
I'll take a few bucks and Elvis. No, first level 100. That's your first priority. Yes, I know. I'm gonna hit the Mellow Beast once, and then you insta kill him. So I can farm levels.
Nilakad lang daw yun ng auntie na yun eh. Yung kanina babay-babay.
Saan sila?
Ewan ko.
Maybe hit it more than once.
Dito lang.
Oo, dito lang sila. Naglakad nga lang daw siya.
Yeah, so I can add better swords and farm levels. My sword is desert, so I can farm some levels. Desert and then which is 2 rolls ahead, right?
Yung sinasabi mo, ano, sa Vizcarrio.
Oo. May sementeryo dito.
Zeus. Zeus. 21 times. Oh, it's the graveyard. They can go there one day. 2 or 2. Yeah. For me. No, I'm not gonna go to this graveyard. I'm going to 7 feet. No, then he's going to this graveyard. I'm going to a different one. No, I'm not going to that graveyard. No, then he's going to this graveyard. I'm going to the graveyard of mushroom. That's where you...
Bundok yung ano nila, no? Ano din? Naka-ano talaga yung
Maliit
mga
yan. May ganyan sa, ano, siya...
This is not going to be
Yung
big.
territory.
I'm in the mushroom
Laki.
graveyard. It's where
Laki.
different mushrooms.
Kasi sa one side, yung di ba ka nawiritchin, nandun mayroon din.
No, that's not This is not where we're gonna rest.
Flower, but
I am going to rest in Mushroom Graveyard where mushroom goes on top of you.
At least ganito yung sa kanila parang sa Maynila nako napaka gulo. Sampaw
I'm gonna rest in peace.
Sapaw-sapaw anong tawag diyan?
warak.
I'm so tired. We're gonna go to Nahis.
Saan kayo nakatira dito si ano man?
Sino?
Si kasama ni pamangkin ni Jean. Yung barkada namin. Sa Pokpulam daw siya eh. Dito lang.
Could be that.
Malaki din bahay, 3rd floor.
It didn't break, by the way. That's so short. That's like extremely short. Oh, one of the shortest. Oh, this one's like one of the shortest personal bikes I've ever seen. I don't even know. Oh yeah. Let me try that again. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Sigma of boy. Big
Gaga.
is a score. Okay. Oh my gosh, I did not failure. Okay, I'm gonna try to eat the thinnest part of it. Make sure it doesn't break though. What? The thinnest part of it. Look this. Search it as soon as possible and then eat it. Oh. Now my hands are covered in goopy.
Ito bahay. Bahay ba yan?
Bahay ba to? Parang opisina. Opisina.
Mula dito. Mula doon.
Auntie, when are we going to arrive?
Go to school. Go to school. Going home.
When are we going to?
Ay, yan eh.
When are we going to go home?
10 minutes. Dito pa kami noon nag-simba-simba eh, doon banda eh.
Bayanihan.
Mabayanihan, oo. Doon pa kami sa bayanihan, nagsimba noon. Or mas malayo pa doon. Sa bayanihan.
Hi, tell me your shush. First, we me to give me something. You telling me to shush?